What are you doing?
I'm buckling my chips up.
You're so extra.
I'm not giving you any.
Why not? Why aren't you giving me none?
You ate the whole bag to yourself.
In 20 minutes.
And you're proud. I'll go.
Ate a bag of chips.
Hold on, so you're telling me that you
No, okay,
Let me fix
listen. Let me tell me this.
Okay, let me fix this first. Alright, there we go. So
I get home from work. I pound on the bathroom door because we only have one bathroom. He goes, I'm in the bathroom, which obviously I knew he was in the bathroom, but it's just him and I home, so he could open the bathroom so I could pee. No. He continued doing what he was doing, so I had to distract myself from peeing my pants, and I ate a bag of chips.
So she's trying to put a story around why she ate a whole bag of chips.
I had to, if anyone knows, if you've ever had
my
to
chips
pee,
is here, and she's still not gonna get any. No. So, yeah.
you guys will find out soon why I ate a whole bag of chips.
Listen, she is just greedy.
No, I'm not. Maybe you're greedy for taking up the bathroom knowing I gotta pee.
You weren't even home.
Yes, I wasn't even home. I was pounding on the door.
I was in the bathroom before
still
you got
recording?
home.
No, you stopped. Jamil, we've been recording this whole time. I'm sure you guys will see the video, but he didn't have our mic on, so you didn't hear anything.
Yeah.
And he talks about me not knowing what I'm doing.
That's because I was turning the mic on and off, on and off.
I'm
But
a
guys,
little short.
we're here. You see how short she is? Look at that.
Fuck you.
But yeah, we're here,
Creepy.
out here. This place is nice, like, you know.
It's a little chilly.
Yeah, it's a little chilly, but like, it's a good, like, it feels good.
Caution.
What?
Stay away from wild animals. Found 2 dead raccoons near the trail today.
Ooh, that sounds scary.
Rabies.
Well, that's not like, you see what I'm saying, guys? This is the area that you kind of want to live in. Like, that was just a random note from someone who, you know what I'm saying, who is just concerned. So, this is a nice area to be in. Like, you have persons who care that much to write a small little note and put it right there. That's really nice. Yeah. But this place is nice. It's just
the woods.
yeah, the woods. This would be a nice little place to like bike and stuff.
I hate biking on this kind of stuff though. I like nice smooth.
No, I love this because like it's with like the mountain bike. So
Even on
it's
a mountain
built
bike. I
for
have a
this.
mountain bike. It's way easier to ride a bike on a smooth surface.
Okay. Wanna race?
Race?
Yeah, to the corner.
My stomach will fall off.
She's a low-key comedian, guys. Trust me.
I'm like, oh, you've never seen the
Huh?
Good Trouble.
Good
It's a
Trouble?
Yeah. Reminds me of this, like, I think she's like Asian or something.
Mhm.
And she kind of, her personality's like mine, and she does stand-up comedy.
Oh, she does. Hmm?
The chest kind of.
This place is nice.
Anyone good at stats? Want to do my stats homework for me? Because Jamil has me out here on a nature walk, and I have 3 homework assignments.
It's a wow. Look at this Puma.
His is a little more updated than mine.
You guys gotta.
Hey, Ian.
Oh, look at this
And then you
Puma.
can't forget the Crocs, you know.
The Crocs. Yeah, you guys gotta sponsor us. Look at that.
I think I got some Guess glasses on too.
Ooh, she's bougie.
Look good.
Come on, let's see it. We gotta see if it's real.
It's real.
Can you guys see that? Wait.
Probably not. You probably
There
can
we
see
go.
how broke
I'm
out
seeing,
my
I'm
face
seeing
is.
it. Wait, it's good.
My face is.
No, it's not there. Wait. There you go. Yeah, she's the bougie one. Yeah.
He's got his Nike flip flops on. Is it Nike or Nike?
I say
Comment
Nike.
down
What do you guys
below.
say? Nike?
Because if you're from the States, it's Nike. There's an E in it.
This is a nice place where you can just come when you're angry and be like, ah!
I think people agree.
Huh?
I think people agree.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't. Because then they'll think that the same thing that got the raccoons got us. Yeah, we don't want to scare people off. But yeah, it's really nice out here. I like it. It's just a nice little nature walk and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys just get your water and come walk with us.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got. Look at our subscribers. Yeah.
You're so.
That's
See,
aw-
Jamil's not the comedian of the group.
that's all our
I wonder
subscribers.
what's that way. That's kind of sketchy.
We're going. I think some of our subscribers live over there too. Yeah.
Kinda closer.
But yeah, we are just walking with our subscribers, you know, all of you guys and thing. It's really nice. I probably said this like 100 times already,
Jamal
but
thinks it's like 90 degrees out.
huh?
So Jamal thinks it's 90 degrees out.
You're like that cold?
I'm looking for.
We're recording and you're saying that.
It's okay. Everyone has them.
No. PG.
It is PG.
Woo. Oh, you have an entrance to the water right there.
Yeah, I'll push Jamal and see who else has
Guys, if I don't make it to post this video, you know who did. Who?
That's like clay.
Hmm?
It's clay. You know that?
Mm-mm. So this island we're on is called Grass Island. This is so nice. Oh, it's nice out here.
It's cold out here.
It's cold. All right, I'm gonna jump in.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna run and I'm gonna jump in. Can you guys see me? Are you going with me?
Yes, no.
Or?
What if you have some scripts? You should have jumped over it and made it
Yeah,
look
I would
little-
fall right in that
You
thing
would have landed right there.
on my ass. But yeah, it's really nice out here. Oh well, we see that in the middle right there.
Yeah, it used to be land. It's
Wow.
fading away. That's what they're talking about. That's Grass Island.
Okay, I see. I see.
You're slow. It used to be.
You just realized that
No,
when
I
I said it.
didn't.
When
It
I
used to
said
be
it.
bigger. Like honestly, this is probably all really shallow right here because it probably all used to be a little island.
This is all dirt right here.
Yeah,
You're slow.
but it's all over water now.
Underwater. Guys, we definitely have to come back here. Like, look at
Look at all
this.
these little trails.
Like, this is a nice place to
I
like
think these
take
are safe to walk on.
some nice photos. Where? Here? Yeah. But I wouldn't go there like now though. I would go like earlier in the day,
Oh yeah.
but when the sun is out. I'm happy we found this little place. We can come here more often. And it's like what, 5-6 minutes away?
Probably. Not that far.
It's like 6 minutes away from. Why does it look blurry though? There. Yeah, but today's cold, so we're gonna go back.
They look like I got a little cone.
Yeah.
You're like the perfect height because like I'm short. And you're not too tall.
I feel tall today. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, we are here, and I know you guys haven't seen like any videos from us, but
Because Jamil put us on a hold.
not really like a hold. We were just
Learning.
getting stuff together and stuff, you know. And yeah, trying to get our lives together.
We're in
So
the process of trying to find a new apartment.
yeah,
It's not working too well.
yeah. Finding an apartment is
Finding an apartment and getting our credit up so
Is-
we can buy a house.
Yeah.
Because
We should sit here for a little bit. Right? Right here.
it's cold. What if it would have just
Alright. I wish I had something to put this on. Hold this. Person are gonna think we're crazy. They're gonna be like, what are you? Look at those crazy kids. Should I do like
I don't know, Gemma.
standing?
But it's
standing like
cold.
this? Maybe not.
Whew.
Like that, right?
Sure. I don't care.
Ugh.
That's not gonna stay.
Alright.
That's not gonna work.
Fail. Epic fail. What? What do you gotta say?
It's blurry.
Yeah, it's a little bit blurry. But yeah, what do you got to say?
Me?
Yeah. She got some
I
stuff.
love you.
Woo! I love you too. But she got some stuff to say.
No, Jamil has some stuff to say.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't get that memo.
I didn't get the memo that I was saying.
Oh, I felt a raindrop.
If it starts raining on
Guys,
us,
it's rain. We gotta go.
you sure it's not just from the...
No, it's rain, babe. You don't feel
No,
it?
I feel it, but what if it's just coming off the trees?
You think so?
No, I don't. Isn't it supposed to rain?
I didn't know that it was supposed to rain.
You gotta point it down more. Up
Yeah.
a little more.
Like this. Honestly, my hands are tired. You want to hold it for a minute?
You want the honest answer?
Alright, there. But yeah, guys, we are pregnant.
Yeah, see? Look at him. He's about 6 months in there.
Yeah.
He's been eating too much food.
Yeah, and we're twinning. Yeah, because you see,
You probably can't see because I'm just fat.
from the side. Yeah, guys, so that's the update. Yeah, we've been, getting our lives together, getting stuff together and stuff like that.
We need a new house.
Yeah, and we need like a bigger place too, because like we are expecting one more person
Into our family.
into our little family, so gonna need more space. So yeah, that's kind of like the big news we got to.
Been spending time with Mila.
Hold
you
on,
know.
I need to fix this. Yeah, she heard some squeaking just now. She was just walking and looking like this.
I get scared.
Like in those sci-fi movies.
More like a horror movie. Someone could be taking us.
Yeah,
Hiding behind the trees.
shoot. But yeah, so as I was saying, like, that's the news, guys. That's the news. That's the news. So drop in the comments and tell us like what
What you think it is.
yeah, what,
Boy, girl.
yeah.
I mean, nowadays it's a whatever. Isn't that a thing? An X?
No, we don't got that. It's either a boy or a girl, nothing else. So yeah. Yeah, comment down below what you guys think it is. Boy, girl, and yeah. That's it?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it. Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.